In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a voice in Elevenlabs. If you want to keep your voice library organized and remove a voice you no longer need. This process is very straightforward. I will walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. To get started, open your Elevenlabs dashboard and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for the platform. From that left side menu, select Voices. This will take you to the section where all available voices are managed. Inside this area, click on the My Voices tab. This tab shows the voices that belong to your account and that you can manage directly. Now, take a moment to find the specific voice you want to remove. If you have several voices saved, it may help to scan the list carefully before moving to the next step. Once you've found the correct voice, click the More Actions button, shown as the 3 dots next to that voice. A small menu will appear with additional options. From that menu, select Delete Voice. After you click it, a confirmation window will pop up asking you to confirm the deletion. This extra confirmation step is important because it helps prevent accidental removals. In the confirmation window, click Delete Voice to complete the process. After the voice has been deleted, it will no longer appear in your My Voices list. That's how you can confirm that the deletion was successful. One important thing to keep in mind is that not every voice in Elevenlabs can be deleted. Default voices, legacy voices, and pre-made voices cannot be removed. So if you don't see the delete option for a certain voice, that is usually the reason. Before deleting anything, it's always a good idea to double-check that you are removing the right voice. Especially if you use multiple custom voices for different projects. Taking that extra second can help you avoid deleting something you still need. And that's it. Thanks for watching.